good afternoon. Just sitting here. I stalled. I think it's just because it's so hot and I'm doing just a lot of stop and go driving in the fields, and I don't know what you call that. Vapor lock? I don't know. Anyways, it's just out in the fields picking up rocks that the plow turned up yesterday. I complained about winter. No, I complained about being cold for 7 months. I mean, I was just always whining about the cold. Even last week, I was still wearing my jacket last week. And then it is muggy, humid 81. No, sorry, 91 today. It is 91. Or going to be. I don't know what it is now. It's hot. It is hot. Just, it's hot. But I have no right to complain about that because it is the opposite of cold. But, just gradually 91. So, rained last night. It's really too wet to do much in the fields, and the cattle are happy. Not too many things are broke at the moment. So we're going to unearth the backhoe. We're going to unearth it from its hibernation and meet Jess up at the top of the gravel pit. Jess built a gate. Really need a gate there. Really need a gate there at the gravel pit. Keep people out. That would be what the gate's for. So he built a gate, and we're going to get the backhoe and meet him there in about 45 minutes. Oh, there's a wasp right on the window. Get out of here. Don't come in. Don't come in. There we go. Let's go places. I got a message from our neighbor Carol back in Richmond. She said she hadn't seen enough of you lately. And there you are. Are you happy? Yes, he's on a line, so he doesn't chase chickens around or get lost on the road, right? But you're free a lot of times, yeah? Okay. Just want to get that, work that in there. Yeah, it's hot.
We don't have a new kitten named Carol, though, unfortunately. For a minute, we had a kitten named Carol.
Oh yeah, we named one of our kittens Carol after our neighbor Carol.
It just, the kids took the cat back to be named by them.
Yeah, Cosmo named it Stay Puffed.
And then for a minute said, no, I don't want to name the cat. I don't want it. So we said, well,
so I said Carol.
Naming it Carol in honor of Carol who loves cats, and we love Carol. And then this morning he promptly said, no.
Nope, it's Stay Puffed.
It's still Stay Puffed. You can't have the cat's name.
Sorry, Carol.
So we'll get you the next round, Carol.
Alright, well, we got the area set to put the posts in sometime for the gate to the gravel pit. And then we were out working in the field, and then I got a weather alert. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning, winds up to 80 miles an hour, take shelter, blah blah blah. Shuva called me. Power's been out for about 40 minutes. Oh boy, yeah. It doesn't look that bad on the camera. Well, trust me, it's getting dark out here. And it's only 5 o'clock. I guess I'll go in, take advantage of being home early, and maybe edit some no, can't do that. There's no power. Guess I'll go in and we can all just kind of stare at each other, play a board game by candlelight. Maybe it looks dark in there. I don't know. I do not know. Anyways. Yeah, look at that. It doesn't look that bad on the camera. It's pretty dark over there to the west. Alright, well. Much like yesterday, that might be it. Might not be. Probably is. This ain't good. It's a yellow sky. Can't see it on the camera, but it's a yellow sky. Oh, those winds! Uh-oh! Can I get something?
I'm just trying to, without having to carry everything inside. Just needs to go.
Go back, birds! Wow. Let's see. No, the winds don't look too bad right now. Well,
They were briefly, but now it's...
yeah, now it's just going to be a storm. All is well. Nope.